What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today's video, we're going to be doing a quick video with some brackets and mounting hardware to mount up this generator welder over here. If I can direct your attention over here to the generator welder. Something to pretty much, what we're going to do is going to have a strap run through this where you can pick it up with the chain hoist or, you know, whatever you got, engine cherry picker or whatever. Something to run through here to keep it bolted to the trailer in the welding bed, like so over here. What we got the D-rings right here, and we got 2 pieces of tube. So essentially what we got to do is clamp this down, drill a hole right straight through it. It's 4-inch, so that'd be another 2 right there. Boom, that's where our hole is gonna be, dead center. I'm gonna split up the next one. Be probably about like right there. Take the clamp. We want it. Start to drill up. Start going. We just broke through, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff, we're gonna sand it up, and then we're gonna start putting it together. Here's a good way to get all that mill scale off so you can TIG weld really. Right now, we're gonna have it set on DC, and we're probably gonna do, we'll do a post, and we'll do starting amps at 10. Main amps are probably, we'll put it off about 100. We're gonna put the tack. Let's do it. There we go. We're not even using filler metal. We're just gonna put a little tack. That's what they call a fusion tack. Gonna put another tack. Alright, so now we got 4 tacks on here. We can go ahead and weld it out. Alright y'all, this is what we got on some welds right here. You can get the camera in focus. You know, it's not pretty, but I mean, it'll work. Got a couple of welds right there. I mean, not pretty yet again. I haven't TIG welded some time now. It's not something I do on a day-to-day basis. It's mostly stick welding and MIG welding. And TIG welding is just kind of like a specialty kind of thing. But yeah, that's what we got so far, and we're about to weld the plates on top of this right here. Stay tuned. So I made a jig for welding these. Proper weird way to hold that bolt up. So let's go ahead and get to it. We got a couple more sides left. Alright guys, we are done. Gonna power off the machine. And then we're gonna take a look at some of these welds. Alright YouTube, this is what we got. Pretty much what this locks in, that's what it's gonna look like in the bed.